Good morning, everyone. I am at the St. George, Utah State. I still at the St. George in the National Park right now. Today is a beautiful day, and today is peaceful day. The nature make the people have peaceful. If we know our mind to know, to accept the nature, we have peaceful. Because the nature never fight anyone. If no storm, hurricane, earthquake, that is the nature. We cannot do anything, we cannot control, but it's not happen often. Long times ago, many years ago. Yeah, this is how beautiful. I want to show you in the morning of the views of the St. George. Usually, I have a live stream at night time, but today is in the morning because I have time to come out and to take a walk, climb up the mountain. It's beautiful. I want to show you, but I just want to let you know that this is the impermanent, because this right now that is a desert, no much tree, no much water. But before that, long times ago, I don't know how long, but I heard someone say it, like 1,000,000, 2,000,000 years ago, around here, that is the ocean. The ocean became to be the desert. You see the rocks in here? A lot of the rock mountain. See, I want to show you last night, but the phone is off. See? Yeah, that is the monk. The John Paul, we come together in over here. The sunrise already is 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock in the morning. And the weather today is how many degrees? Almost 80 degrees. But in the morning, right now, it's about 60 degrees already. It's really nice weather. Right now, I am in the park, the park beside the freeway. Beside the freeway, you see the car and the house. That is really, it's beautiful. The house around here, that is nice views, nice house, nice place. The nature that is make us feel blessed, feel peaceful, feel happy. See the people, they coming to cry out in over here. They take kids. The kids, they can come to see, and they change their minds at home. When they see the nature, they feel like a nature. We have to accept this nature. This house is beautiful. So what you think Do you believe over here, around here, that was oceans before? You see, that's how long, how many years? See, over is many century. See, we know that. That is the permanent. Nothing is permanent. Is impermanent. But compared to our life, how long we can live? You know, the small rock is older than us. Small rocks, but so many years. But how about us? Why we have to suffer with our body? Our body have to change in every day. Every moment is all we change. So why we have to get old age and sickness? We have to passing away. But before we passing away, what we have to do about our mind, we should be practice to get off that suffering, that attachment, what we have in our mind, you know, and to practice in our mind is nothing more than practice mindfulness meditation. If our mind stay still, open the mind, our mind is look like this rock. You know, the rock is really heavy. It's really hard. Our mind to become a nature, we don't have to fight each other. We don't have to jealous each other. It's like the rock. The rock, what happened? We do. We hear that. We spit to it. And we yield to it. The rock never reacts anything. The mind of the human, if we know, we open mind, we have wisdom enough, we don't have to react. Why we have to react? If we react, we have suffer. If we don't react, we don't have suffer. See? That is our teachers in over here. The rocks is our teacher. This is we call Sila. This never move. Stay still. Yeah. Our mind is almost the same, but it's not the same. Some is the same. Like a no react is the same. But we have to think about the good thing, to act about the good acts. But it's not the opposite of the good acts, like unwholesome. We don't have to do it. So today I have a live stream in the morning, and I use my cell phone, you know, and I try to use the new page that my team, my brother, create me the new page, because I can accept the friends more than, but this Facebook is almost full of that. I cannot accept. You know, that is I stop by to the park in St. George before I going to have lunch, and I go to the funeral service of my temple's members in over here. Yeah, she live here for a long time. She works here, but not many Laotian people to live around here. Just only her family. She work at the hospital and she have jobs over here. And right now she passing away. She always support my temple, support the monk. Yeah, and she told me that if she passing away, please come to have the funeral service for her. That she already, she already to go, and she prepare to go. She never have much suffering and worrying. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching and for follow and for support. Yeah. Thank you so much. See you next time. And who want to come to practice walking, sitting meditation with us at the temple tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow is Sunday. Sunday at 1 to 2, we have a practice sitting meditation and walking and share the Dhamma talk together and share the idea together at the temple. Please come. And today I have to go to have lunch for now. Thank you very much. See, I show you the views again. That is the monk sitting, and watching the views. That's good views, really beautiful views over here. It's really nice. In St. George, is who never come to visit St. George, please come. At this time is really nice weather, but at the summer, July or August, that is really hot over here. Really hot. Yeah, it's over 100 degrees. See, the couple of them, they love each other. When we are together, we have to love each other, because before we passing away, we should love each other. But it's not like you understand, like no attachment, no love. No, it's not like that. You have love, but you have to know about the love. We have love. There is a love. Where there is a love, there is suffering. But where there is a love with non-attachment, that we don't have to suffer when we separate each other, or when we have to leave each other. We don't feel sorrow or pain, and suffer about the separate or leaving, passing away. That we should have peaceful before we leaving, because we prepare already. Thank you so much, and see you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.